and good morning, America, and a very good evening to the rest of the Jahan. Welcome to Aura Zinda's Living in Style, always with a smile. It is beautiful today outside, and I'm in my backyard enjoying the weather. So I'm going to cook outside today and show you how to make coriander chicken, a yummalicious, beautiful recipe. So come on, let's cook the Aura style. Welcome to Aura Zinda's. We are making coriander chicken today, and for making the coriander chicken we need all these ingredients. So we have about 2 chicken over here, the small Cornish hen cut in pieces, and then we need all these spices. We do need ginger garlic paste, and then we have chili powder, coriander powder, which is the main ingredient, turmeric, cashew nut powder, little bit of cumin and black pepper powder, and coriander paste. So the coriander leaves blended with water, that is the paste, mustard oil and salt. So we are ready to make coriander chicken. Okay, step number 1 for the making of the coriander chicken, we are going to go ahead and put the chicken in here. And let it cook for a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to put the spices. Step number 2. Now that my chicken is cooked a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add my spices. So the first thing to go in is 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic. So that's going to go in first. And then the next thing to go in is turmeric, one teaspoon, and chili powder, 1 teaspoon. And then we have coriander powder, the fresh coriander powder, that we are going to need a little bit more than that. So we have 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Then we're going to mix it up nice. We're going to add our salt, 1 teaspoon, and saute all this nicely together. Add about, I would say, half a cup of water, and let all this cook nicely. Then I'm going to come back and show you what to do next. Step number 3. So my chicken is almost done. So at this point of time, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, which are, first will go the green chilies, which has been chopped. I'm going to go ahead and add the green chili. And then we will add the garam masala, which are the cinnamon stick, some cardamoms, and some black pepper seeds. You can see the color of the chicken is really nice. It's very flavorful. I could, wish you could smell the aroma here. 1 teaspoon of black pepper and cumin powder. This is almost like a 1/4 cup of cashew nut powder. I'm going to just add a little bit of water, about 1/8 of a cup, to make the gravy. And in this, the last thing to go is the yogurt, which is about 1/3 of a cup. Make sure your yogurt is smoothed out, no lumps, and then just make sure all of the chicken gets it. Now the final thing to go in is your coriander paste. Because this is coriander chicken, so the coriander leaves paste is going to go in last. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot now and let it cook for a little bit, and I'll come back and show you the final product, how it's going to turn out. So let it cook for at least 15 minutes. Welcome back to Auras and Dals, and my coriander chicken is all ready. So I'm going to give you the final look how it turned out, and here it is. So you can garnish it with a little bit of coriander and green chili, and it tastes really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and have it with the white rice. You can have it with white rice, roti, bread, naan, whatever you please. And I'm sure it's going to taste awesome once you cook it. So please do let me know, and please do subscribe, share, like, and follow me on Facebook and YouTube, Auras and Dals. Bye bye. Take care.